MPC songs being controlled by Logic Pro X. I set up the MPC as I would if I'm doing a multi-timbral setup. Track 1 is plugin 1, track 2 plugin 2, 3 plugin 3, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. So you can add whatever plugin you need, but in this case I just worked with 3 plugins. So that's how I set up the MPC to start with, the hardware, which will reflect in the software. So this will be reflected here in the software. Track 1 keys, track 2 bass, track 3 strings, and so on. Each channel here, so track 1, input channel 1, send to nothing, I took that off. Plugin, of course, channel 2, track 2 bass, input channel 2, and so on. Track 3, channel 3, input channel 3, and so on. Okay, in the tracks here is also important. So I'm holding the camera and doing this, so I'm in the track here, right, and I'm in the track here, right. So the 3 tracks are okay. In Logic, here I have it on IAC driver bus 1, and on the channel strip itself, MIDI channel, well, it receiving all because this is the plugin, the actual software, the MPC plugin. In that new track, you create an external MIDI track, right? When you create that external MIDI track, this is it here. From the library button, and I would assign it to IAC driver bus 1, related to the channel that is to be recorded or transmitted, and it will correspond to this. So channel 3, MIDI channel 3, channel 2, and channel 1. As you can see, it's affecting each one of the channels, right? So when that happens now, I can record and playback from the Logic Pro X DAW. Alright, and I can record a new channel here. So let's come back across here, and I need to get this track here highlighted as the channel that I'm about to record next. So when that happens, which is strings, as you can see, it's the string, and what should happen there, when I play the keys on the MPC key or any controller keyboard, I should hear the string. There we go. To have the channel recorded, we have to put the MPC keys back into controller mode. Well, menu, MIDI control, and now we can actually have it recorded here. Alright, so that's what's up. So I can play the channel, I can play and record. Alright, so let's record something here on Logic. right, so, well, of course, this channel here, we can delete this channel. And here we go. I didn't really do a prepared video to make it really professional and tidy, but I was really excited to just show this progress here. I really haven't seen a video like this showing that Logic could control MPC plugin, having all 16 in a multi-timbral mood, having the 16 channel, no, well, having in this case 8 channels, 8 plugins being controlled by DAW, in this case Logic Pro X. And I hope this helps somebody, because it took me a moment to really figure this out. And yeah, so this is how I did it, and this is really useful. This is a really useful workflow, and if it's out there, I missed it, please redirect me to some video that may have it more properly done. And I really just did it to share this because I needed this information and this workflow on my current projects. Thank you.